Have you ever had a video idea, but never actually made it? Not because it was a bad idea, but because everything after the idea feels complicated. You need to learn different AI tools, you need prompts, you need editing, you need to choose models. And most of the time, you just give up. But what if I told you you don't need to overthink any of that anymore? No complex timeline, no heavy prompt engineering, no advanced editing skills, just one message. So I recently got access to something called Pexo AI. And honestly, this might be one of the first times an AI video tool actually feels like a real creative partner. Let me show you what I mean. So instead of opening a complex dashboard, I started directly here on Pexo. Behind it, Pexo integrates with OpenClaw, an AI system that connects multiple models and tools together, which means you can also create videos through tools like WhatsApp, Telegram, or Discord. No new apps, no new learning curve. So I typed something super simple. I said, create a cinematic short video about a creator working late at night, feeling stuck. Then everything transforms as AI helps him build something amazing. And that's it. No complicated prompts, no structure to figure out, no technical details, just a normal sentence like I'm texting a friend. And then something interesting happened. Instead of instantly generating a random video, Pexo actually starts thinking. It breaks down your idea into scenes and even shows previews before generating anything. So you're not guessing what's going to happen. You can actually see the process. This is something most AI video tools don't do. Usually it's just click and pray. Here, it's much more transparent. You get a clearer sense of how the system is working. Then it started generating, and within a short time, I had a full video. Not just clips, a complete video with transitions, with pacing, with music, with structure, ready to post. And that's where it hit me. This is not just an AI video generator. This feels much closer to an AI video assistant because normally, after generating clips, you still have to edit everything, combine scenes, add music, fix timing. But here, Pexo handles most of that, start to finish. One conversation and one finished video out. Now, let's go deeper, because this is where Pexo becomes really different. Inside the web dashboard, you can actually see how the system is making decisions behind the scenes, automatically selecting and combining powerful models like Kling, Seedance, and others, and deciding how each scene should look. It's not fully exposed in every step, but you still get a much clearer view compared to most tools. It feels like watching multiple AIs collaborate on your idea in real time, and you're part of that process. And if you want to change something, this part is crazy simple. You don't go back to prompts. You don't rewrite everything. You just point at the video. Literally, click on a frame, circle the part you want to change. Leave a comment like, make this darker, change the angle, fix this part, and Pexo updates it. Like editing a Google Doc. No timeline, no layers, no confusion. Now, think about this for a second. What can you actually use Pexo for? Product ads, UGC content, YouTube videos, short form content, explainer videos, even cinematic storytelling. From a simple TikTok ad to a full creative short film, all from just describing your idea. And the craziest part, you don't need experience. You don't need to know AI models. You don't need advanced editing skills. If you can describe an idea, you can create a video. This is what I would call vibe creating. You don't write technical prompts anymore. You describe a feeling, a mood, an idea, and the system builds it for you. So instead of spending hours learning tools, you spend seconds expressing ideas, and that changes everything. Now, if you want to try this yourself, I'll leave my pexo.ai invite link and code in the description. You'll get early early access to the beta while spots are still available, and some free credits to test it. If the invite codes are full, you can also join their Discord community to get more access. And I highly recommend trying it yourself, because this is one of those tools that you don't fully understand until you actually use it. For me, this feels like one of the first times AI video creation actually becomes simple and usable for everyone, not just editors, not just AI experts, but anyone. And I'm really curious if this is the future of video creation or just the beginning of something even bigger. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one.